Spices, happy holidays. I hope you are enjoying the holiday season. And so I figured I would get a video out real quick on how to cook a turkey. This is my favorite way to cook a turkey. If you want to know how, stay tuned.
I first started with removing the gizzards, taking off the backbone, and then I made up a rub and put the rub on the turkey. You will want to go ahead and add some oil onto your turkey. Like what I use is avocado oil, but you can use vegetable oil or any kind of oil. And then the seasonings for the rub, you can do whatever you want. Here are the ones that I used, which is brown sugar, and then you can see all of these seasonings. So Himalayan pink sea salt and chili powder and all these, but you can go ahead and do whatever you want. And then I went ahead and covered the turkey, and I went and put the turkey in the fridge overnight. If you marinate the turkey in apple juice, it tastes really good as well. And here I uncovered it, and it is ready for the smoker.
Okay, so we added a bunch of coals once this already heated up. Now I gotta scrape the grill, and we just use this tool. So I just gotta scrape it. And now I'm gonna put some fruit tree wood in. This is from our fruit trees. We got some cherry and some apple. I'm just gonna put it right over the coals. Just like this. Now here is my beautiful turkey that I had in the fridge overnight with the seasoning. And I'm gonna put it right on the grill. Just like this, and we're gonna close the lid. Now that the turkey is in, we're gonna close this vent on the side about 50%. I had to use a piece of wood because this gets really hot out there.
Now, of course, you will want to continue to watch your coals and watch your wood. If you do not have enough of either or to keep the temperature consistent, you want to add either more wood for more smoke or more coals for more heat. In a couple hours, let me show you what happened.
Okay, temperature is at 225, which is pretty good, but there is no smoke. So I'm gonna add some more wood. Just right on top so it starts smoking. And I need to close the vent a little more. Just about there. So it's 75%. And perfect, you can see that it is smoking again. All right, and after 5 hours, your turkey is done. I'll show you inside. It is dark out right now.
Okay, so I brought the turkey in, and I'm just gonna cover it with some foil to let it rest, and then it's time to eat. And as you see, I put it with mashed potatoes and a salad.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a safe and happy holiday. Bye, and see you in the next video.